Hello guys, good morning once again to all. Okay, I think my subscribers doing well, and today there is a new gameplay. Oh, sorry. Oh, wow, that's great. I have more than 50 skateboards. Okay guys, I recently played Robbery Rob, which is a quite interesting game. Actually, it's an interesting game. The only reason is to say that as the level progresses, you will get a difficulty level higher and higher difficulty levels, and it's quite interesting even. So if you are like to watch that, it's in my channel. Please visit my channel to watch that. And I got a record of breaking the another record. And I don't reveal in which game I have break that record. So please check into my channel if you are interested. And I have also uploaded the Free Fire video. It's actually a good one. But let me explore the other games. Even you get the even the Free Fire videos, but for some time it will be paused or it will be uploaded 3 days once. I need to explore more games in the Play Store, so please stay tuned for that. It's my humble request. I try to upload that for within 2 days. I will try. Yeah, this is a good thing. Shit, but I missed that. Okay, let me try to keep myself only upon the trains. I will try. Oh, but okay, I will try that. It's a challenge. Here I go. I didn't. Yes, I completed this challenge. She's getting speeder and speeder. Oh, that's the advantage of the shoe. Jumping shoes. Even the magnets got attracted. Not only the coins, even the magnets. Above the trains. Yeah, this combo I like the most. Even many of you likes the skateboard along with the shoe. Yeah, here is the duty. I got this attached. It's time for the blast. Yes, here it is. Yeah, I got even more speeder. This is nice. Oh man, the height The jump is I like the most. Even in the entire subset, only the thing I like the most is the jump. That even from the that bridge. Maybe it's time for the blast. So actually the skateboard has some definite function. It can be used as like a key or a second life. So you don't want to miss that chance. Even if you complete the whole skateboard, you don't lose anything. Even if you blast that skateboard, you can gain a life. So it is like a key. That's the thing I like it most. Okay, I got one challenge complete. Yes, it's once again the challenge of above the trains. But not from this one. Yes, I got this once again. I think I collected the coins more with letting some. Yeah, let it me hold those coins for next try. Yeah, that's the way I think. If I can't do it, then I will say, let me try it for another second, or I will leave it for another run, so that I could collect in that area or in that chance. Yeah, this is the challenge of above the trains 2x. Once again up. Yeah, I got this once again. And I got completed another challenge too. Oh man, shit, I got lost. Sorry for that. So okay guys, let me continue this or let me start a new game in the next video. So until then, stay tuned.